Leah is making the 1-spoon cocoa brownies on page 130 of Happiness is Homemade, y'all. How's it going, Leah?
It's going good. Look how chocolatey.
Ooh, that looks very chocolatey.
Can't wait to lick the spoon.
So was it an easy recipe?
It's really easy. You don't even have to go to the store unless you have like vanilla, flour, cocoa, sugar, butter, eggs. It's really easy. And then you just no milk. You don't even need milk. And you just mix it up. You gotta do a lot of mixing, but it's definitely worth it because...
So if you wanted to, could you use your mixer?
You could use your mixer.
But you chose to use a nice stirring spatula, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
There's a lot of flour.
A lot of flour.
Because you can't pour flour all in at once because it just makes a big explosion.
Okay.
So I'm mixing in the cocoa right now.
Is it about stirred in?
See the cocoa is in there.
Oh, it is. It's not quite stirred in yet.
It's
so
almost
you're
done.
Okay. Then what are you going to do next?
And then I think that I have to grease the pan. We already did that. And then I just have to bake it.
Pour it in the pan and bake it.
And then it's done.
Okay.
This is my last step.
All right.
So that's what we're doing.
Okay. Well, that looks good. Let's see. It's a 9 by 13.
This is the pan. We already greased it right before
You already
we started.
greased it. And we might have got a little flour on the
oven's
counter
being
and the floor, but
the
who's
oven,
counting?
The oven is being preheated.
Oven's preheated. What'd you have to preheat it to?
350.
350. Okay. Tell me when you're ready to pour it. I want to watch you pour it in.
I think I'm almost ready. I just need to scrape the bottom. Make sure I get everything because we don't want people getting bit by not sugary cocoa.
Yeah, we want it all mixed together. So you're making sure there's nothing stuck to the bottom and you're still stirring and you're about ready, right?
I just need to finish this up. And then we're going to pour it in the pan and it's going to bake. So I think I'm ready.
Okay.
So we're just going to...
Pour it in the pan. Which way you going to do it, girlie?
I'm going to do it like this.
Okay. And just pour it in there, and then after you get it in there, you'll just spread it out. Easy, easy, easy.
Very heavy.
Do you need me to hold it for you? Okay. I got it.
So I'm just
Knocky to the rescue.
Just going to
Knocky's what they call me.
scrape it out. Look at
Yeah,
that.
look at that chocolate. Yum.
Good. And then just got to make sure we get all the chocolate.
Have you about got it?
Okay, there's that.
I think you got more in there. Are you trying to save some to lick the bowl? Do I see what's happening here?
I'm trying to get it out, but it's sticking to the bowl.
Okay. All right. Now let's see. Spread it out.
And then we'll add the rest of it because I don't think I got it all.
Okay, just lightly spread it.
Get it in all the corners.
Just lightly spread it. Here, this pile needs to be pushed over that way. It should easily go to every spot.
Sticking to the spatula.
I know. Here, rake it off, you spatula. Leah is just going in the 6th grade. And here, you hold this and I'll fix it. Here. Scrape it off of this. Lay that to the side. And this is how I do. I just get in there and scrape, scrape, scrape.
With the spoon.
Because you want all that. I mean, that's half a brownie right there. And we want all of it in there.
We get the spout because the spout always gets full of stuff.
Yeah. We just got to rake it in. It is a thick batter. And then we're just going to gently go from side to side. See, there we go. It's thick. You spread it out like that. Yum. That's going to be good, Leah. All right. It's time to pop it in the oven. Do you want me to do it?
You can do it.
Okay. All right. Here it goes in the oven with Leah's brownies. 1-spoon cocoa brownies.
And you just cook it for like 18 to 20 minutes.
Okay. 18 to 20 minutes, we'll have some brownies. All right. And what do we do while the brownies are baking?
We look at him.
We lick the spoon.
It's really good.
We dumped stuff out already.
And Pap spilled something over there, so we'll figure out what that is in a minute.
So the brownies just came out. They look really good. So we are going to eat. We're gonna try one. Let's make sure it's done too.
Is the pan hot?
It's hot, so I'm using a pot holder.
Okay. Sometimes that first one's hard to get out. Do you need a fork or something to put under
I
it?
think I do need a fork or something because this knife can like chop it.
Just kind of slip it under the edge. There you go. Ooh, you got it, you got it, you got it, baby girl. It's
Ah!
falling apart. Ooh.
Let's
Hey,
see.
that's okay. The first one's always hard to get out. And I mean, these are fresh out of the oven. They are really hot.
We just wanted to cut them before.
Normally, you let them cool a little bit, right?
Yeah, but we were not ready for that. We were too excited.
Those look really good.
So
You think you're going to taste a one?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, Leah, those are hot.
I just-
You better blow.
We have. Oops. These look really good. 1 Spoon Cocoa Brownies. They're in the Happiness is Homemade. That's really good.
Are they good?
Mm-hmm. Nice and gooey.
We love gooey brownies.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, are you glad you made them?
Definitely a success.
Hey, we'll let the rest of it cool off and cut them when they cool, but we'll just nibble on that. I might have to get a little bite myself. Ooh, yeah. Oh, those are good.
They are.
Those are really good. Thanks, Leah, for making brownies.
You're welcome.
Love you, bye.
Bye.